All right, another fire truck update. This one is all about the school bus. We have been taking apart different things on the school bus. We buttoned it up a little bit, cleaned up a little bit. There it is underneath. It's looking good. Once we pull the motor and trans out, we're going to take off that front plate, clean everything up, paint it, make it look really nice.